and welcome back to my channel, guys. This is a battery of Hubsan Zino Pro Plus, which is called 5000 milliamps. And reason behind I'm just showing it because these batteries are gone flat and they are not going to charge. But manually I tried with a balance charger from connection from because this is a 3S battery and this is the first battery pointing, and that's its second point, third point, and fourth. So basically this is the negative, and that's the second negative and positive basically from this battery. This battery's negative point and positive point, then positive point connected to the negative point on the second battery, and which actually joins here. This is a balance module by the original Hubsan, and also it's it calls like a BMS as well. So that connects second points here, which is, if you closer look, it says 4.3 volt, and the very next to it the third battery is connected, which is so basically this is negative, positive, again negative, and positive there, and negative and positive up there. So let me repeat: negative connected here, positive connected here, then to the second battery negative pole, and then positive pole there, which is connected here as a third, and then the third battery has got the negative and positive, and then it goes to the fourth point. So balance lead can be used to the charger. So this is the Hubsan charger, the original one, but you can use any charger which is supporting balance charging. There you go, 12 volt here, and connect the balance charger port here. So then you can put on the charge, and if there is a battery, one of the battery will be fine, because I tested. This is the second battery which I am showing, and the most common which I seen, the both batteries actually, first and second cells, they are almost dead. This particular battery is actually showing a little bit life. It was not showing any volt. It was showing like short in the multimeter onto these points, like negative and positive when I tested them. So this was not showing any kind of voltage. The second one was not showing the voltage as well, but the third one was showing around 3.5 volts. So that was pretty good, but these two were dead. So what I did, I put the direct charge from initially I put their positive pole and negative pole with the 12 volt, and I seen the life was coming in these two cells as well. But after a long charge, I found that these are not holding the charge. They are discharging itself very fast, but staying around 3.4 volt, which is not good enough. It should be 4.2 when it's fully charged. This cell, when you force them together, but this cell goes to 4.30 volt instead of 4.2, so that was overcharging. So this is the thing. I managed these two cells with a little bit life on it, but the next idea is I'm going to remove this PCB board from there and join them. Currently these are in series mode, so negative, positive, negative, positive, and negative, positive, sorry, my bad, negative, positive, and positive, negative, positive, positive, negative and positive. My bad, sorry. And the next, actually, the balance charger is not working. I just ordered from AliExpress the active balance charger, which will take the current or voltage from each others and try to maintain the voltage in the same situation, like similar voltage on the three of them. But meanwhile, what is the idea that with the solder I'm going to remove these points and separate these batteries. Currently these are in series mode, then but I'm going to do to join into the separately, not into the PCB board, otherwise it will burn. So I will put in 3 batteries, similar situation, but negative to negative and positive to positive, like in parallel. Then it will be a good idea. Then you can actually balance, you can try to balance, and if there is a life, I will put it on the this is a charger, normal charger, power bank. So what I am going to intend, these cells will be connected negative here and positive here with the crocodile clip, and I will put on the charge with normal USB charger. So that's the way the 3 of the batteries, they will actually do it like equal charge, and also they will be synchronized in the same voltage. If there is a life in this one and this one, then they will become fully working. Otherwise, most likely chances are they will not do like complete work, they will lose the voltage. But this is my last try. So this is a part 1 video. The second video I will make it if there is any life, or they recover back to life, then I will let you know in the second video. But this will be done like tomorrow in a second video. And I have many other batteries as well. As you can see, I'm trying to sort out with the other battery as well, with continuously monitor the voltage. And if not, then what is the idea, what I am thinking about, to use these batteries in parallel mode into this power bank, which is transparent. And you can see basically there are 18650, 1 2 3 4, and on the other side as well 1 2 3 4, so total 8 cells in this one. So what is my plan, to take out the 18650 from here and put this battery in parallel mode, which is actually completely perfect for this project. So if this works, then I'm pretty sure this will be a good power bank, which is actually QC PD, and it's 22 watts, I think. You need to assemble it by yourself, and it's available from AliExpress in these days for just $3.58 or something, and plus the postage. So that's the cheapest way to make the very good charger transparent, and these batteries will be fitted into there in parallel mode, not the series, because that's input volt on this charger is 4.2 maximum fully charged, 18650 batteries. And it's a 5000 milliamp battery, which will be used. As you can see, I marked there, the fully charged was 4.626 volt, and this is 3.86 volt maximum. And the third one was actually a similar type of volt as well, 3 point something, not the 420. If I force it, then it goes there, but it fully discharges again, drops the voltage again. So that's the thing. The second video will show the second project if I recover these batteries. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.